Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable peaking settings on your Sony a6400 camera so that you know which thing is in focus when you're using manual focus mode on the Sony a6400. So let's begin the video. So first of all, I'm in manual focus mode just to be sure. So here you can see that which thing is perfectly in focus, like you can see it, but you're not sure that how much accurate is that. So for this we are going to use peaking settings. So for this, all you need to do is to press on the menu button right here. So here you need to make sure that you are on the first chapter by looking that you are in this first camera with a little one right here. So now you're going to use the right key and you're going to go on to page 13. Here you can see we have reached page 13 right here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go on the very last where it says peaking settings. We are going to select it by pressing on this button. We can see that peaking display is off. We are going to select it and we are going to press on or enable it. Peaking level is mild, you can set on which level you want, and the peaking color is red. You can go with yellow, blue, white, etc. So once that is done, we're just simply going to press on the menu button. We are going to again press on the menu button and we're back. So now when I'm going to zoom in on anything, if it is in focus, then we're going to see red colors, as you can see. So you can see that the very last tripod on the furthest is in focus, that's why we're seeing this red outline. So if I try to change the focus, you can see that now this first one is in focus. We are seeing this red color, which is our peaking setting. So it's showing that, yeah bro, this is the first thing that is now currently in focus. So the peaking setting helps you a lot to tell whether which thing is in focus or not. And now you can see that the middle ones are in focus. So this is the best thing when you have peaking settings, because it's going to accurately tell you. Obviously your experience also counts when you're manually focusing something, but this is a bonus when you're doing so. It will reduce your workload, and this is a great thing to have so that you are double sure that you are in focus or you are focusing something perfectly, because sometimes you only get a one chance. So that's great when you have this option enabled. So guys, this is how simple it is to enable peaking settings on your Sony a6400. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.